Can I put it inside because if the dogs they feel the flow, so you can Yes, that's very good, and you can wave here. Yes, that's good. And I will open you the door, so just a moment. Yes, sorry, we're gonna go through.
It just pops in the plane. You see that? Yeah, they just pops down in.
Okay, so before you can pet the dogs, there are a couple of rules. So please do not pick the dogs up and do not chase after them. And I will give you some snacks that you can give for the dogs, but don't have your hand up like this because the dogs will jump. So have your hand open like this and give the treats one by one. So you don't run out of everything. And over there we have 3 puppies. So there are 3 puppies with white fur. They are called Luca, Lucifer and Lulu. They're about 5 months old. And then there are also 2 adult dogs running. There is Shamani and Soturi, and they are brothers. Shaman is the one with other eye blue, other eye brown. He's also one of my favorite dogs. And then over there we have actually one of our puppies in the pen. The name is Keira, and the reason why Keira is not running here with the other dogs is because Keira doesn't really get along with Luca, Lucifer and Lulu. So Keira will have own turn later on. And then in the last fence over there we have Alice and Tokyo, and they are on their heat. So that's why they are not running here, because they can get pregnant. And yeah, I will give you some snacks that you can give for the dogs. There you go. Yes, there you go. There you go.
Remember what it said? Lower your hand. Oh, that's nice. I said keep your hand low, that's good. Oh.
You can just give them one at a time, he said.
Oh yeah, one at a time.
Keep them.
You like him?
Did I check your ticket? Did you have the ticket? I don't remember the ticket. Yeah, I forgot like as many people, so I'm just gonna take the ticket.
Okay, I'll do it. No problem. There you go. There's no problem, is there?
There you go. There you go. Yeah, of course. There you go. And the dogs, they have probably a lot of energy because it's still quite early. So they will come eventually to you, but they have a lot of energy, so they might be running around a lot.
Горизонтально, все на
You want one?
Can I put it inside because if the dogs they feel the blow, so you can
Look, in here.
Laisse-toi un peu et tends la main comme ça. Mais maman, je te mets pas à côté. Je vais prendre des photos de toi là et de toi et tends la main.
Here.
Ils sont pas bêtes, hein. Ouais, aussi. Je vais attendre qu'on ait un câble. Ils cherchent la nourriture, ils sont pas bêtes. Ils cherchent la nourriture. Bah oui.
Idem pode mais dificuldade, depois vou para o pijama.
On dira après, je crois que c'est réussi.
And I'm going to get one of the things to give you.
Obrigada.
Bosnya bilang